in today's video I want to show you guys how you can easily change your brightness settings on your Android TV. For this, what we can do is go on the menu button here on your remote. So click on this, or if you are in this here in this section, then go all the way up here. If you are on the home button, then go all the way up to this bar here, and then go to the right and click on settings. So, and here in the settings, what we can do is go down on device preferences, and then next we scroll down to picture. So click on this, and what we can do next is go on picture mode, and here we turn this on user. So make sure that you turn it on user, and here we can easily change like the black light, the brightness, contrast, and something else. So and if you want to change your brightness, then you can do this with brightness, and also black light is really important, because if you have the black light low, then the TV is also darker. Yeah, and this is all you can do here. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.